Every old house has a quiet of its own. This is a special kind of quiet that is not actually empty. It is a quiet that feels alive. A long time ago, a house was never fully silent. The house always talked in a soft voice. You could hear the low hum of the fridge in the kitchen. You could hear a clock ticking in the hallway. The water pipes made small clicking noises as they cooled down. These sounds were not loud. They did not bother us. Instead, they made us feel safe. At night, when we lay in bed, these tiny noises told us the house was awake with us. They told us that everything was okay. We did not try to stop the noise, we just lived with it. These sounds made us feel like we belonged there. This was the sound of safety. As the night went on, the house became even more peaceful. You might hear a TV or a radio playing softly in another room. You could hear the wind moving the curtains near a window. These sounds were helpful. They told us where our family was. We did not need to see them to know they were there. Even if we were in a room alone, we never felt lonely. We knew people were nearby. Today, our homes are very quiet, but this new silence feels empty. It does not feel as calm as the old sounds. We miss that feeling of life happening around us. We miss the feeling that the house was alive. A home is more than just walls and a roof. A home is made of the small sounds that hold us together.